Title: Troubleshooting an invalid battery notification on an LG phone.
Troubleshooting an invalid battery notification on an LG phone.
The home screen of an LG phone. Inside a white box, a blue triangle with an exclamation point. Invalid battery. A blue circle spins. Shutting down.
A notification stating invalid battery usually only occurs in devices with removable batteries.
A large black battery slides out which says, "Life's good when you play more."
If your LG phone has a removable battery and you get the notification, the first thing you need to do is to check the battery itself. Here's how.
The phone flips over and the back cover and battery are removed.
Take the battery out and see if it is swollen.
A scorched black battery.
If it is, dispose of it properly and replace it. If it is not swollen, then check if it is an original LG battery.
The LG battery says life's good when you play more.
If you use an aftermarket battery and you get the notification, then the battery most likely does not meet the specifications of the original LG battery.
User Guide for LG V20 LG H918 with battery information and care.
In this instance, our best recommendation is to replace the battery with an original LG battery.
A small screwdriver is used to remove a battery from a phone.
Note that continuing to use a battery that isn't up to standard can lead to malfunctioning or damage of your phone.
The screen of a phone flashes. A burnt battery and phone with melted plastic.
If you have a non-removable battery and are getting the invalid battery notification, then try to clear the cache data on your phone.
The same warning sign on another LG phone home screen.
To do this, open Settings.
A blue icon with a white gear.
Then tap on Storage. Tap on Free Up Space.
Blue button at the top.
Tap on Temporary Files and Raw Files. Tap to select Cache Data. Tap on Delete.
Bottom center.
Then tap on Delete again.
Bottom right.
Wait for the cleaning notification to disappear, which will signal the deletion is completed. Now restart your phone and test it again.
Chooses the center icon, power off and restart.
If these steps resolve the invalid battery notification, then you're good to go. If they do not, please contact LG customer service at lg.com/us/support or visit lgmobilerepair.com to review your warranty repair options.
This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact lg.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.